This is the original seat. We did put the new interior in. We broke the back windshield a couple of years ago, so we put a brand new one in with the ceramic tint. Actually, we were putting the ceramic tint on when it broke, so that makes a huge difference. The interior's good. The radio, good radio, works.
Wix Filter sale days at your local Auto Value Park.
Everything works. Every light, every blinker, air conditioner, everything works. One thing I want to point out, all these power shift guys, a lot of them got a lot of hours on. This slot gets really, especially on a loader tractor, really narrowed up down here where you come around the reverse. This one is hardly shows anywhere at all. That's all original. This tractor is as mint as you can find. You would never think it shows 9,066 hours compared to a 40 series. That'd be only like about 6,700 or 7,000. So anyway, this thing is mint. Hate to get rid of it, but we just aren't hanging anymore. So I don't want it sitting around. And we have two others.